here are some ways in which retail brands can enter the metaverse. 1. Virtual reality, VR. Retail brands can create virtual reality stores within the metaverse where customers can browse products in a 3D environment and make purchases through their avatars. 2. Brand experiences. Brands can create immersive experiences within the metaverse that allow customers to engage with their products and services in new and unique ways. This can include virtual events, games, and interactive installations. 3. Virtual collaborations. Brands can collaborate with metaverse creators and influencers to create branded content that resonates with the metaverse audience. 4. Advertising. Brands can advertise their products and services within the metaverse through targeted advertising campaigns that reach the metaverse's highly engaged audience. 5. Virtual product launches. Brands can launch new products within the metaverse and use the platform to generate buzz and excitement through immersive product demos and experiences. 6. Virtual customer service. Brands can offer customer service through virtual assistants within the metaverse, providing a new channel for customer support and engagement. Overall, there are various ways for retail brands to enter the metaverse and engage with their audience in new and exciting ways. By embracing the metaverse, brands can stay ahead of the curve and connect with customers where they are spending more and more of their time.